disrespect. I told you, Skylar. I warned you for a solid year. You cross me, there will be consequences. What part of that didn't you understand? Maybe now you'll listen. Maybe now you'll use your damn head. You know, you never believed in me. You were never grateful for anything I did for this family. Yeah, bitch!
Had the whole crew with me when I was at the bottom. Had my back until they found out no one was making dollars. Fuck what you heard, I always keep my word. We scratching the surface, not waiting for niggas to birth us. Making moves, we promised that a change is coming. Disrespectful motherfuckers always trying to stop us. Talking shit, swear y'all talking big, not having this. You reminisce on the times that you kinda miss. We going strong, now you fuckboys trying to say you down. Where were you when the town showed no love around? Looks like MVP was lost, now we found a sound. Never quit, I'd be damned if we slowing down. Underground, unexpected ENT, ho. Yet we love them haters, don't fuck with them fakers. Trouble's coming, no problem can break us. Yeah, I'm at the bottom, hectic and causing debations. Yeah, we at the bottom, yeah, we at the bottom. Unexpected ENT, yeah, we at the bottom. Yeah, we at the bottom, yeah, we at the bottom. They call us MVP, yeah, we at the bottom. Yeah, we at the bottom, yeah, we at the bottom. Unexpected ENT, yeah, we at the bottom. Yeah, we at the bottom, yeah, we at the bottom. They call us MVP, yeah, we at the bottom.
Remember where this all began? Closets on that east end. Me and Ben at it again. Probably what we had back then. Chase this dream, get it steep. 100 miles till fame's cheap. Get that green, let's leave this life of misery and flee the scene. That dream is where it started, coming from the bottom. Real friends I had back then, best believe I ain't forgot 'em. I just added a few more. A-Town 614, a couple kids from the bottom, kicking down your front door. Man, what started as a dream, look what's all achieved. Now we setting goals so big, elusive minds cannot perceive. Unexpected entertainment, you know you can't contain it. Judge, jury, prosecution, witnesses in your arraignment. So as the gavel crashes down, quits word that can't be found. My mind, heart, soul's in this till I'm 6 feet in the ground. So come along, you're not alone, bitch, I made the bottom home. MVP, ENT, imagine what this crew could be, yeah.
Yeah, we at the bottom, yeah, we at the bottom. Unexpected ENT, yeah, we at the bottom. Yeah, we at the bottom, yeah, we at the bottom. They call us MVP, yeah, we at the bottom. Yeah, we at the bottom, yeah, we at the bottom. Unexpected ENT, yeah, we at the bottom. Yeah, we at the bottom, yeah, we at the bottom. They call us MVP, yeah, we at the bottom.
Presidential CEO, coming live from the 614. We coming up from the bottom though, but guaranteeing good time will blow. It's unexpected entertainment, bitch. Now that he is, I started this. I brought along a few friends that spit and all agreed that we never quit. At the bottom, watch the throne. For the haters we putting on, ain't never slowing. We plan to show up in your city and rock a show. Pump it up, can't hold me down. Touch the sky, hands up right now, cause we're the truth and we will be found. And when it happens, we'll make y'all proud. I remember what it's like to be alone, but at least I got my homies. Makes me feel like I'm at home, but before it wasn't pretty. I was in another zone, doing things I shouldn't do, and honestly I was gone. But I saw the light, it brought the fight. I realized I wasn't right, and now I'm here, crew by my side, and I'm never leaving till the day I die. I love it all, top and knot. Without music my heart would stop, and I'll never leave the only crew I got, cause we all started at the same damn spot.
Yeah, we at the bottom, yeah, we